Guys, I wanted to show you these WallCandy hooks that I received from the company. I wanted to give you a closer look and show you everything that you get when you purchase them. So I received two different types from the company. There's this leopard type of pink print as well as this checkered print. I'm going to put them up in my daughter's room. She was super excited when I received these because of the colors. She thinks they're very fun, and so do I. Once I put them up, I'll show you guys. So it does come with everything that you need, as well as the directions on the back of how to apply it and then remove it. So you get the hook itself as well as the strip, and then you do put the strip on and then you adhere the hook. Super simple and straightforward. Again, I'll show you guys, and there are directions. So I want to give you a closer look of what they look like up close and how big they are. So there's the size up close. They're lightweight. They're not heavy. They're like a very nice thick plastic, but they're not that heavy, which I think is really good. They hold up to 3 pounds. So you could put them and like hang a towel, maybe a hand towel, your purse, depending on how big the bag is. So your keys for sure, different accessories. They also, what I like about it is that it goes onto different surfaces. So you can put it on glass, tile, painted walls, or straight onto wood. So it really does work in different areas. And it's really good too if you're a renter, so that you don't have to worry about putting holes in the walls. So this is perfect for like, you know, somebody that's maybe renting and needs to have some more home organization and get their stuff like organized. And like, it's also super cute. So again, I'm going to install this in my daughter's closet and in her room, maybe her bathroom, and do a separate video on how that works. But I just wanted to give you a nice up close look of what you get in the package and how cute the designs are. Like, you can't beat these designs. These are so fun. And then on the back, it also will show you the directions, like I said. So really recommend these. If you're looking to help with organization, maybe in your kitchen, even your bathroom, definitely pick these up.